For question 10, we're asked to plot the points A and B, and then to reflect those points in the line y equals minus x, and then label the new points C and D. So let's start with point A. Point A is the point 3, 0. Well, that means 3 along and 0 up. So the first point is here. That is point A. Point B, well, that is -5, -6. So -5 along and -6. And that is that point there. That's point B. Now I need to reflect the points in the line y equals minus x. Well, what is this line here, and how do we find out what it looks like? Well, the easiest way is just to create a little table of results. So we've got x and y. Now if x was equal to 1, what would y be equal to? Well, y would be equal to -x. In other words, it would be -1. If x was equal to 2, then y would be equal to -2. And if x was equal to 3, then y would be equal to -3. Now these are a set of points. So I've got the point here, 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1, so 1 minus 1 will be this point here. 2 minus 2, so 2 minus 2 is this point. 3 minus 3 is this point. And hopefully you can see we have the start of a line here, and if I just plot that line, that is the line y equals minus x. Now what we need to do next is to plot the reflection of these points in this line. And the easiest way to do that is just to count squares. So if I go here, 1 and a half and 1, so this here will be the point C. And then for the point B, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5 squares away. So a half a square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that will be the point D.